You're not gonna want to miss this.
Hi, village.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to our table. Look what we have in store for y'all today. When we were doing the sour pickle and whipped cream challenge, Sierra, in the middle of that, just happened to have some Flamin chips and then started something. And we got so many comments.
We actually had a lot of comments
about it. And they were like, that's the new challenge. So here we go. I'm not so sure about the
different kinds of hot Cheetos. We have hot fries, Flamin' Hot Cheetos, and then hot Funyuns. And then we have, of course, whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
So the challenge is you have to eat all three.
But I don't think this is fair because I have more here than you have.
I told you not to put that much. And you put a lot. So you guys can put as much as you want and as much for cream or whatever you want, but you have to eat all three. So
if I would have known that, I would have only done like 3 or 4.
So if you put like 5 chips and you're good, but she put dang near half the whole bag. I don't know why she put that much.
Because originally I thought it was going to be for both of us.
No.
And then you started scooting mine over. I was like, hold on here.
Oh, well.
I think she made this up as she's...
Well, yeah. It's my challenge. I'm going to make it up. So the challenge name is Sierra's Hot Flamin' Chip Challenge.
And Cool Whip. Sierra's Flamin' Hot Chip and Whipped Cream Challenge.
I don't know why she put so much, but that's fine. If she doesn't eat it all, that's okay. Because I might win anyways. But it's
probably.
Okay. Alright, guys, so let's...
Here we go. Let's see.
So you have to eat all three. Oh, so good.
It's not bad.
I love these. Oh.
It actually doesn't make it very hot.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad, but it's not something that I would be like, let me get some Flamin' Hot something and whipped cream.
I like it. I've never had it with Cheetos though, so.
I love hot fries.
Oh, it's not bad, guys.
I haven't had a hot Frito. I just have a feeling my stomach is gonna be
a hot Frito.
I mean a hot Cheeto.
I was like, I didn't put no Fritos in this.
It actually kind of balances the heat.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But it has like a cream taste to it. I don't know. I just like it.
Like I said, it's not something that I would be like, ooh.
This is definitely, I feel like, would be like a pregnancy craving.
My favorite are the hot fries.
Yeah, definitely. I am like digging this. Like, this is smack. I'm in heaven right now.
I'm starting to feel the heat though.
Oh yeah.
It's
Sorry,
not.
I was just reading this can, and it says after you spray it, you're supposed to wash it, like rinse the nozzle. I didn't know that. I've never done that before.
Yeah, you've always rinsed it in your mouth.
I feel like I'm gonna have mega heartburn tonight.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not feeling it.
I am. I love this crap.
I don't like the Cheetos.
Yeah. And Cheetos isn't my favorite.
It is?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
It's not my favorite.
So if you guys do the Sierra's
It's a
Flamin'
long
Hot Chip and Whipped Cream Challenge, be sure to tag Raising a Single Mom.
I'm single mom.
I think my favorite are the hot fries.
Yeah.
And you have a lot of whipped cream over there.
Yeah, I put a lot. You didn't put that much.
I like Funyuns, but I don't like the hot ones.
Wait, what?
I like Funyuns, but I don't like the hot ones. I like regular.
I was like, what?
And the Cheetos,
Yeah.
mm-mm.
I don't necessarily like the Cheetos, but
The fries are my favorite.
guys, I'm not in a t-shirt today.
You have whipped cream on your
Do I? Oh. Are you done?
Uh-huh. I'm done. I'm bowing out. Throwing in the towel. Waving the white flag. Is that all just Cool Whip? Mostly.
Oops.
Mm-mm. This was not the challenge for me. It wasn't bad,
It's not bad.
but it's just weird.
It is weird.
You can have the rest of mine. And
That's all whipped cream.
And the Cool Whip does kind of counter the hot of the flaming stuff, but you win. I'm handing you the trophy. Here you go.
Thank you. It was really good. I'm not gonna lie.
Cute
I
challenge. I
don't
like it.
the Cheetos.
I didn't like the Cheetos either. Cute challenge though.
Thank you. I wasn't expecting on making a challenge, but
So
everyone liked it, so I was like, okay, I'll make it a challenge.
So you guys try it and
Yeah.
tell us what you think, and tell us which is your favorite.
Yeah. And if you don't like these chips, you can use other chips if you want.
Oh, and there is Flamin' Fritos.
Yeah, I just don't know about Fritos and whipped cream. That I might be a little.
I don't know. I think I like those. I might have liked that better. Welcome to all of our new subscribers. We love you guys so much. We're interested to see what you think about these crazy challenges.
Yeah,
Try them out. Try them out. And you know, this is a cool thing to do with your kids if they like this stuff and if they're not too young.
Yeah.
But just as a fun something to do over the summer.
Eat the most or something
Yeah.
like that.
The hot Cheetos, I'm not so sure about. But
I didn't like that Cheetos that much.
I like the hot fries.
Yeah. It was good.
It was great. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Yeah.
So the next time we post a video or go live, you'll be notified and you can join in the conversation.
Yeah.
Don't forget, Sierra's Flamin' Hot Chip Whipped Cream Challenge.
There we go.
And if you do it, tag us here at Raising a Single Mom.
Bye.
Bye.